Hi, I'll just do a real quick video. I'm making dinner. I figured I'd bring you guys along with me. I have all these, I put all the ingredients together so you can see just what it is. So what we have here is macaroni. It's whole wheat as well as regular. We have around 3 cups of cheese, some ricotta cheese. This is around 16 ounces, and we have around, this is not even around, this is 2 cups of ground beef, not seasoned yet. And then we have some zucchini here. This is around 2 medium zucchinis that were frozen. That's why I defrosted it, so that's why you see all this water inside of here. I'm going to save the water. I'm not going to pour it out. I'll end up saute the zucchini, and then after I saute them, a little later on I'll add in the juice, because why not? The juice is good for us. We'll eat it. So anyway, so I'll saute the zucchini, and then I'll saute the meat. I think I'll saute the meat first and then saute the zucchini, put in there with it, and that's when I'm going to start adding this, and then I'm going to put, I don't know if I'm going to just put this inside of the pan because I'm making a casserole, or if I'm going to end up mixing this with the mixture. We'll see how that goes. So anyway, this is what all the ingredients look like, and I'm going to go ahead and put it all together. Alright, so here's the onions. I just put it in. It's been in here for about 30 seconds. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in and put the zucchini in. So I haven't done anything. It's just a little bit of oil, and you see it's going. It's only been in for about 30 seconds. I have it on high because I'm doing it quick. But you can do it on medium high as well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to drain this, and I'm going to put the zucchini in, and I'm going to brown it a little bit. This is the zucchini here. I took it out of the bag. Here's the liquid right here. And what I'm going to do is I chopped it up real thinly because they didn't need to be that big. I want them nice and small. The liquid that I'm falling here, I'm going to try and get that and put that on in. So the ground beef is still cooking. It's been on for about a minute. I'm going to go ahead and put this zucchini in. So it's mixed in. It's been around a minute and a half, maybe 2 minutes. I've mixed it in. I think next time I make this, I'm going to saute the zucchini first and then add the meat, so I can brown the meat a little bit more. But you just keep on rolling, it's fine. So I'm going to let it go for around 2 more minutes, and then I'm going to start adding my seasoning that I got. Alright, so seasoning been added. I did around a hefty tablespoon of onion powder, maybe a half a teaspoon of salt, because I try not to do too much salt. Half a teaspoon of salt, and then I added like maybe a heaping tablespoon of garlic. It depends. You may not like garlic. It's fine. I'm still cooking on high. Don't recommend it, but you know, I'm in a hurry, so that's what I'm doing. And then I also put in some cabbage, spinach, cabbage, spinach, and what was the other one? Cabbage, spinach, and collard that I had grinded up. I went ahead and grinded up, and I put this in here as well. Just, you know, kind of sneak it in. We're still getting the ingredients from it. But it's just nice because we just got it in there, so we have it. So not just zucchini is our vegetables, but we also have cabbage, spinach, and collard. Alright, so that's mixed up. This is good. I'm going to go ahead and cut it down to maybe medium high, and I'm going to go ahead and start adding the cheese, the cottage cheese, and the milk. I think I'm going to add around 2 cups of milk with it. So I added it all, and I put around 2.5 cups of milk. I think I should have maybe added just 2 cups. Again, remember, I'm winging it with it. But this is all of it together. I still haven't added in. I think I'm definitely going to add the noodles with it so it can thicken up a little bit more. And then I'm going to put it in the oven. I'm going to put some cheese on it, and then I'm going to let it go until the cheese basically melts. So maybe I put it at 400 degrees, and I'm going to do it for maybe 15-20 minutes. I'm not really sure yet, but I opened up the macaroni, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put maybe half of the mixture in here. Here it is here. Here's the mixture. I'm going to put half of it in there, and I think maybe I can do another meal of this where I could just get macaroni out and just pour it on and make another casserole. We will see. So anyway, let me put half of it in. Yeah, this is half of it. This is half of it, and then here's the other half here. I think I just made 2 meals. Woohoo! Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put it inside the pan. Alright, so this is what I have left. I can't make a total meal out of it, but I really can. I can make some nachos with it. It tastes pretty good. So I'm going to take you over to the mixture. Now I could have made it half of it, but I wanted it to be more juicy. So I put more liquid into it. But I still have a good amount left. I'm missing to split. I put half and half, and then I took a little bit more from it. So it left me with like 3/4 for making it a whole entire meal. So, but this is turned out great. I still have some left over, so I can make some nachos out of that. So like when the kids want a snack, they can be able to eat with that some nacho chips. See? So that's pretty cool. So, what I'm going to do now is I have some cheese here. I'm just going to sprinkle it over it, and then it's going to go right inside of the oven. So now that it's done, I'm realizing I just made some really cheesy macaroni, basically, hamburger helper. So here it is before it goes in. I have it at 400 degrees. The only thing I'm looking for is you just need the cheese to melt. Because remember, everything in here is basically cooked already. So you could basically eat it. You know, just melt it. Put it on broil. Like if you're in a rush, put it on broil, you're done. Me, everyone's not hungry just yet. So I'm just going to put it in the oven at 400 degrees for around 20 minutes. And what I'm looking for is, because it's mozzarella, I'm looking for that pizza look. So you know, the browning and stuff. But it's just preference and however you want to have it. So anyway, this is what we're having for dinner. I'll be back when it's done. The bad thing is I did not time it, which is weird because normally I time everything. But I think this has been around 20 minutes. You see it's brown, so I could technically cut that off, but I'm going to let it go. I think I will cut it off. And I'm just going to leave it in the oven.